So I'll get right into it. The clock's ticking. So I'm the CRO for Rewst. Rewst is an automation platform. Uh, you know, I guess who's Rewst? What do we do? It's a vendor-neutral automation platform, and it's built exclusively MSPs. We basically help you connect the process that you have in place to create workflows. Best way I could describe it would be if you look at all the tools you use as instruments in an orchestra, Rewst is the conductor. And then the other thing that's unique about us is our robotics operations center. So here's a bit more why it would be something that's built specifically for MSPs. We have, basically 60 different integrations with a lot of the tools that you use today. We have a dynamic form builder that you have access that comes with it, as well as built-in workflows that you can list of. There's over 130 pre-built workflows that you can leverage. We have a training platform, Cluck University, or Cluck U, as we like to call it, Rockstar support, and then really it's the MSPs. So our community is really strong at this point. So here's just give you some, why would you want to, basically automate with Rewst today? It's time savings. I think that's obvious, making things a bit more efficient, consistency in service delivery. If you build out an automation, you don't have to worry about if somebody forgot a step. The other thing that we're seeing is people, your techs are a lot happier than doing the mundane day in and day out. And then really it's just the client experience. It makes them look like you are working 24/7, which you're probably doing today, but in this case, you could automate that. Here's just some of the examples for those of you out there, and they're basically 3 different use cases. Here's customer A is somebody that's just using our pre-built automations. In the last 30 days, they've saved 239 hours. And that's based on you determine how much you think each of these things and each of these automations will save you. As far as customer B goes, that's a bit of a hybrid. So they have kind of a part-time person as well as leveraging a lot of the marketplace. And that's somebody that's probably doing 20% of their time is focused on automation. And they're getting around 600 hours. And then you look at some of the more advanced where they've actually gone out. They've made it a mission of theirs to go and really automate everything that they possibly can. And as you can see, they're saving countless hours that you wouldn't even be able to work in a day based on your team. So here's another thing that I think is always good to understand. And this is where we see some people saying, we don't know what to automate. We don't have fully built processes. But automation, is something that you have to get started somewhere. So automating 70% is certainly better than doing nothing. So let's just make sure that as if you're looking into it, work with our team and we'll help you to automate your business. Just wanted to give you some examples here of, your top 10 automation use cases. We see some of the low-hanging fruit, which is the new user onboarding, offboarding, billing reconciliations, one where we could actually tie all your tools together, make sure that you're actually billing out for what you're paying for. So you don't have a bunch of unused licenses that you're paying for every month. Documenting users, and some of the bigger ones that we're also seeing are things like MFA, just enforcing MFA, and ticket sentiment analysis. So what I would, if anybody's interested, definitely reach out to us. You go online, you can hop in the room afterwards. We would be more than happy to walk through a demo with you and see if we could help you automate your business.